So this morning I'm at OTR Bagel Bar and we're going to meet one of the co-owners, Kyle. Kyle, tell us a little bit about your store and what you feature here.
Yeah, so we've been here for about a year and a half now. We make all of our bagels fresh every morning, so we have a wide range of kind of your classic sesame, poppy, plain, everything. But we do some more creative ones, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Flamin' Hot Cheeto, Grippos, so we do a wide range of varieties.
Yeah, so where'd you learn to make bagels?
I learned how to make them from the other co-owner. Marshall Mann is the man himself, but yeah, he has a culinary background, and I met him a couple years ago. He does the pretzels over at Christian Moreline taproom.
Oh.
So that's where I kind of met him. He lived in New York, New Jersey for about 15 years, and then moved back to Cincinnati. He couldn't find a bagel that he liked or met his East Coast standards, so he started making his own bagels and sharing them with the brewing crew over at Christian Moreline, and that's how we met. And then he started this business, and I came on in July of last year.
So this is his first brick and mortar bagel shop, bagel business.
Correct, that is correct.
That's cool. So I see you've got orders to go.
Yeah, so we're doing, kind of to adapt with the times, we're getting call ahead orders to go. We actually started delivering like bulk orders, so if you want to order a half dozen or a dozen and some cream cheese, we'll deliver it to you Tuesday through Friday. So yeah, we're kind of making some adjustments obviously with the times.
Yeah, so do you have a Facebook page, a website? So how do people find out?
We don't have a website, we do have a Facebook page and an Instagram site, so it's at OTR Bagel Bar, that's our handle, or you can email us at otrbagelbar@gmail.com.
Great. You know, I was over at Graysons yesterday interviewing Ken, and he was saying they use your pretzel bagels on their sandwich trays.
Yeah,
and that.
so we use our pretzel bagels. It's kind of a good kind of community here. We get our turkey and cheese from Graysons. We get our Gouda and smoked corned beef from Eckerland. So kind of support the local merchants.
So your hours are the same as the Findlay Market hours for now?
Good question. No, they are not the same as theirs. So we're open actually 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. So we open a lot earlier than the market, but we close a little bit earlier as well.
Okay, that's great. And I see you've got a big space. I mean, of course, right now everything's mixed up a little bit,
Yeah.
but normally people could come in, sit
down, yeah.
have a bagel sandwich.
Coffee, yeah, we do like cold brew coffee and nitro or hot coffee. And yeah, you can sit here, play some board games, and stuff like that.
Well, that's great. Well, thank you, Kyle. I learned a lot about your business, and I'm going to say goodbye and buy some bagels.
Yes.
Thank
Awesome.
you.
See ya.